Hello, my friends. Now let's work on our NJSLA practice question number 20. Question number 20 gives you a graphing look like a square root function. Some of you might be confused, like we haven't talked about some graphing look like this, so don't be scared. The question just asks you the average rate of change. And keep this in mind. The phrase average rate of change has another name you all know. It's just about the slope. Okay, so we all know this formula to find out the slope, which is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Therefore, in order to find out slope or the average rate of change, you only need 2 points. So, it doesn't matter what kind of graphing it is. Think about when you have graphing look like this, like the stack right now. So if they ask you, the question asks you the average rate of change from point A to point B, you just needed the coordinate of those 2 points. Then you got it. So, or the graphing will look like, let me change different color. If you have graphing look like that, so same thing, it doesn't matter. You just need the coordinate of those 2 points. When you substitute it back, you get the average rate of change. That's all you need to know. Keep this in mind. Now let's go back to see our question number 19. The question number 19 asks you the average rate of change in the radius of the circle as the area increases from 3 square feet to 7 square feet. Now go back to the graphic. Area, square feet. Now area increase from 3 square feet. Let's see, 3 square feet, which is right here. We have a nice point. And then to 7 square feet. 7, look at the unit, square feet, the area. We're talking about the area. Square feet to 7 square feet. We had another point. We had 2 nice points on the graphic. Now again, in order to find the average rate of change, we only need 2 points, and we found all of them. And let me write that down. X is 7, y is 1.5. Okay, here x is 3, your y is 1.0. Now, take my suggestion. Anytime, label them, because I've seen enough careless mistake where students substitute into the wrong place. Now let's substitute back to our slope formula. y2 is 1.5 minus y sub 1, which is 1.0, over x sub 2 is 7 minus x sub 1, which is 3. Then we're going to have a 0.5 over 4. By using your calculator, you should have 0.125. That is the average rate of change. And think about this. On top, where we have, top is y, you have the unit as feet. At the bottom part, we have the unit as square feet. So, when you find out the slope, which is foot per square foot, And you can see choice A, 0.125 is the correct solution. Let me quick recall about this question. First, you have to remember the average rate of change is just another way to talk about slope. And the formula to find out the slope, which you need 2 points. And it doesn't matter what kind of graphing the questions give you, okay? Something like that. Something look like this. It doesn't matter. You just need to find 2 points on the graphing. And then please label those 2 points on your scrap paper. Again, I've seen enough students substitute them into the wrong place. Label them out and then substitute back to the formula to find out your slope. This is all for question number 20.